Morning class. Till exercise 1D of integers we have completed. Now I'm moving on with the next exercise of the same chapter, that is 1E. All of you please open your book while watching the video, so that I'll be explaining the questions as word problems are there in 1E and you can read in the book and try to understand accordingly. Okay. First question is, at Srinagar the temperature was -4 degree Celsius on Monday and then it dropped means temperature कम हुआ, और जब कम होता है then we subtract, जब rise होता है temperature then we add. Okay, remember that. So it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So the question is asking to find the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. So first you write down temperature on Monday, that was -4 degrees Celsius, and temperature on Tuesday -2 degrees Celsius, because there was a drop in temperature. Yes, it's written in the question, so that is why I have written -2 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Tuesday will be -4 -2, that is -6 degree Celsius. Okay, because Tuesday there was a drop in temperature, तो जितना भी Monday था उसमें हमने 2 degree माइनस कर दिया, तो we got -6 degree Celsius. Now on Wednesday it rose by 5 degree Celsius again. So on Wednesday what happened? Rose by 5 degree Celsius means you have to take +5 because of rose. There was a rise in temperature. So what was the temperature? So temperature on Wednesday you have to find out. Tuesday को -6 था, Wednesday को it rose by 5, so your answer will be -1 degree Celsius temperature on Wednesday. Hope it is clear. Okay, move on to the next question. Question number 2. Ramesh deposit means हमने पैसे बैंक में डाले, ₹5,000 in the bank, and the next day he withdraws means हमने अपने अकाउंट में से पैसे निकाले. तो जब भी हम पैसे डालते हैं, when we deposit, then the money gets added in the amount, and when we withdraws the money gets subtracted from the amount. So deposit 5,000 and withdraws 3,780. So you have to find the balance in his account after the withdrawal. This you can find out, it is very easy. What you do, subtract 3,780 from 5,000, you will get the answer. Third one, a plane is flying at a height of 6,300 meters above sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine. So there was one plane which was flying. Suppose this is a sea level. This is your sea level. And vertically high up, there is a airplane. Okay. Which is flying. 63, this height is how much from the sea level? The height is 6,300 meter. Above bola hai, that is why I have drawn above. Below होता तो I would have drawn below the sea level. Okay. So जब वो उड़ रहा था, when it was flying at a particular point, at one stage what happened? It was exactly just above a submarine. So suppose here there is a submarine. Submarine के ठीक ऊपर, just above the submarine. Suppose this is a submarine. So just above the submarine there was a plane. Okay, and the submarine was floating 1,400 meter below. This is your sea level. It is saying 1,400 meter below. So means you have to come down. So this height is how much? 1,400 meter below. And when we are above, then the value is positive, and when we are below, then the value is negative. Remember that. Now find the vertical distance between them. Means you have to find the vertical distance. Vertical distance means the straight height between them. Who are them here? The plane and the submarine. It means you have to find the total distance between airplane and the submarine. Okay, so what you have to do, so you draw this figure. It is very clear from the figure, you don't need to write any statement. You finally write down, therefore the vertical distance between them is, what we have to do, you can see the arrow, vertical distance दोनों के बीच का, ऊपर कितना है 6,300, नीचे कितना है 1,400. So we'll add them because we have to find the distance total. So you'll get your answer 7,700 meter. Okay. Next question. A submarine is floating 50 meter below sea level. Means the submarine is below sea level. Now go down. द फर्स्ट पार्ट इट गोज डाउन अ फर्दर 380 मीटर, फिर वो और नीचे गई, अभी 50 मीटर बिलो है, देन अगेन इट वेंट डाउन मोर 380 मीटर बिलो sea level. So let's do this. I'll explain you with the help of a diagram only. Suppose this is your sea level. Okay, this is a sea level. Now the question is saying there is a submarine, and according to sea level it is 50 meter below. You can see it is below. Yes, this is your submarine 50 meter below, and they are saying what happened. It goes down a further 380 meter to a point. फिर वो और नीचे गई. It came down more down at point A, and this is how much 380 meter. 50 में 380 meter और नीचे आई है, तो it comes to a point A. So write down the depth of the point A below sea level. So you have to write down the depth of the point below sea level, means sea level से A point कितना नीचे है, this you have to find out. तो from sea level you find out this full. Yes, sea level यही हुआ. This is the sea level and this is the point A. तो इस sea level से ये point A कितना नीचे है, this you have to find out. So what we'll do, we'll add 50 plus 380, you'll get the answer. So depth of point A below sea level is 50 meter plus 380, that is 8 plus 5 13, so 430 meter. This is your answer. This is the first part. In the second part, what it is saying, from the point A it rises 120 meter to another point B. You see in the figure. Now you are at a point A. इस A point से अब वो ऊपर गई है. It rises from this point A. Suppose this is a point A. From this point A it rises upward. Above बोला है ना. It rises 120 meter above. Okay, तो this is 120 meter. Suppose ये इतना 120 meter है, थोड़ा सा कम होगा because this much we have taken 380, so you take it less. Okay, don't worry. I hope it is understood to you. So now it is on the point B. So what is the depth of B below sea level? Now you have to find out the depth of the point B, जो भी वो भी below sea level से.